Of course this is gonna fit. It's an extra small, which I'm not an extra small. I was like, ooh, because of the hormones probably. Welcome to the party! What party, you might ask? Well, obviously the free Kondo closet decluttering party. Duh. I'm like 5 years late to that party, but I hope it's still going on. Hello and welcome, my name is Manya and my channel, My Various Delights, is about thrifting and secondhand finds. When it comes to decluttering, I feel like there are certain types of categories that the clothes you need to declutter fall in. The first category is the clothes that don't fit you anymore. Like these 2 pairs of denim that did fit me really well pre my second pregnancy, but do not fit me at all post my second pregnancy. So they're gonna go. These are a pair of cause pants, and technically I love them. I love them so much, but they have become too big on me to the point where it just looks very awkward when I'm wearing them. This is a vintage skirt that I'm kind of on the fence about a little bit because I'm not sure if it's just gonna suit me. If it suits me well, I've never worn it because it didn't fit me last year and in the fall and in the spring, and I think it's probably gonna fit me now. I bought this after I had my second baby and apparently was still on the hormone train because I was like, of course this is gonna fit. It's an extra small, which I'm not an extra small. I was like, ooh, because of the hormones probably. And then there are the clothes that you really want to make work, but they just don't work for you. Like this vintage blazer that I only wore once. And this blazer that I've worn never. I have a very complicated relationship with blazers, which is, I just don't like most of them. And there is this really amazing 70s midi vintage kind of moo dress that I really like, but it just does not look good on me. I've tried it on with a belt, but it just looks too vintage for me and my style, so I'm so sad I have to let this thing go. I love it so much. It has pockets too. And then there is probably my least favorite category of stuff you need to declutter, which is clothes that you do wear on a regular basis, but you don't like them and you just wear them because they are there and you have nothing better to wear. A pair of houndstooth pull-up pants, which just look kind of weird. Wore these a lot during quarantine, and yeah, they're just not what I want them to be. And I just wore them because they were there, which is something you should not do, but I do a lot. Also a pair of pull-up pants, and I wore them during quarantine when I was like roaming around in the house, not wanting to look like I'm wearing pajamas, but feeling like I am. But yeah, these I'm just gonna sell. What is this? What is this? Oh yes, okay. So this is a black cardigan, and I usually wear it with church dresses when it's too cold, like so I have something over it, but I think I'm gonna get rid of it because I just haven't liked the look in a really long time and I'm not really into that anymore. Then we have this dress that I have worn a lot, but for some reason I just don't like it anymore, even though I still wear it, so I'm just gonna let it go. The following things are just pretty much things I picked up at one of those €1 thrift store sales where you're just like, it's so cheap, I must buy it, and then I don't like it and never wear it, kind of types of sales. And then there's the occasional item of fast fashion that is still sitting somewhere in that closet, unworn. That also definitely has gotta go. Literally this, the sailor pants, and the other 2 pairs of denim pants that I showed you were the only things of fast fashion that I got rid of because those are almost pretty much the only items that I still have that are fast fashion, with like maybe 4 or 5 exceptions. This is the whole mountain of stuff I'm gonna get rid of. I literally thought I'd get rid of 2 things, but it's a lot more than that, which I'm honestly really happy about. If you like this video, make sure to check out my last one, which was a thrift with me in Germany. And if you love thrift and secondhand content, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done that already. I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye!